This Excel tip is going to blow your mind. Check this out. Previously, I introduced index and match function to find the intersect data between the row and the column. Now I'm going to show you a new technique called intersect operator or space operator. Say for example, you want to find out what did Ella make in 2021. To use a space operator or intersect operator, you're going to say equal and go ahead and highlight Ella's row like this. And on your keyboard, you're going to press a space bar. And on 2021, you're going to highlight like that, the column of 2021, and if you hit enter, it's going to naturally return 11 million like this. Now if you have multiple years and you want to find out what did Ella make from 2019 to 2022, you're going to use the same technique, equal, highlight Ella's row like this. Now press space bar on your keyboard and go ahead and highlight columns on 2019 to 2022 like this. And if you hit enter, you will return an array of numbers here because the intersecting data for Ella is from here to here. So to calculate the total, all you have to do is encapsulate this array in a sum function like this and hit enter, and it will calculate 81 million, which is essentially the sum of this number here. If you highlight this, you can see it's showing 81 million here, which matches the 81 million on this cell here. Now if you want to find out what did Haley and Mary made together in 2018, you're just going to use the same technique, equal, highlight Haley and Mary's row like this and press space bar and 2018, and of course it's got two numbers, 37 plus 10. You're gonna have to encapsulate this because you want to find total in the sum and hit enter. You get 47 million. And if you have multiple years, like for example you want to find what did Haley and Mary made between 2019 to 2022, you say equal, you're gonna put sum here and basically highlight Haley and Mary like this, space bar, and then 2019 all the way to 2022 and close parenthesis and hit enter, and they'll calculate a total of 193 million altogether. In the next video, I'm going to demonstrate what are the practical application for this technique. Stay tuned.